If you want to move data to or from your memory card on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you can go to My Files app. Let's open it. Now over here we can choose, for example, one of these categories that we have on the left side in order to find whatever we want to transfer. And in this case, you can, in the case of photos at least, you can see if a photo is saved on the internal storage or the memory card, because if the photo is saved on a memory card, then we can find this memory card icon in the upper right corner. I believe it is the same with videos, and I don't think I have, and there we go. We can also see on icons for audio files and probably some other stuff as well. So in this case, if you want to transfer files, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the photo that you wish to move. There we go. Of course, we can select multiple files at once. Now we can choose move at the bottom of the screen. And if you are transferring from internal storage to the memory card, then of course you want to choose SD card over here. And if you do this the other way around, then you want to switch from SD card to internal storage. Simple as that. Of course, we need to choose where we want to save these files. So let's say I'm going to choose this folder over here, and I'm going to decide to move here. And there we go. Now we should have our files transferred quite easy. Of course, we can also do this in a slightly different way. Instead of going through these categories, we can also go to internal storage or to the SD card and choose files from here, from these from catalogs, from these folders. So if I go, let's say, over here to DCIM in the SD card, then I can find all these files in here, and I can do exactly the same thing. I can just press and hold my finger in order to select these files, and then I can once again choose to move, and I can switch to any of these storages that I actually want to transfer to. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.